So in the last video, we learned how to share our files for signature with our seller, and we also learned how to download them and print them, right? Select the ones that we want and then print them. So let's say we took them to our client's house, we got them signed, and then we scanned them into our computer. What do we do now? Well, we're just going to click Add Document. We're going to go to Browse. We're going to find that scanned file. Here it is. We're going to click Open, and it's going to upload that file to our computer. Now what we need to do is split that file and replace these other files. So what I like to do is I like to grab a sheet of paper so I can sort of make some notes. First thing we're going to do is open the file. What we're going to do ultimately is split it. Step one, open the file that you want to split. It's going to open that file. Step two, go to File and Split Document. So let's do that again. We have uploaded our scanned file, which is a combination of multiple documents. We are going to open it just by clicking on it. We're going to go up to File, and then we are going to select Split Document. File, Split Document. A window is going to pop up, and it is going to ask us how many documents do we want to split this file into. That's the piece that I don't know. I'm going to need to scroll, and I'm going to see that, well, I've got pages 1 and 2 are my law notice. Page 3 is my lead paint, and I'm just making little notes. Page 4 is my licensee interest in property. Page 5 is my listing agreement. And that's going to go page 5, 6, 7, and 8. I think it's 4 pages. Let's just see. Yeah. Page 9 is our wire fraud prevention notice. Page 10 is our property disclosure. And that's it. So we have 10 pages, and we are going to count. I've got this split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different documents. Page 1 and 2 is my law notice. File 3 is my licensee interest. File 4 is my listing agreement. And that's pages 5 to 8. Next is my wire fraud. And last, we had our seller disclosure. So now that I know that, I can split my document. Again, this box pops up. We can scroll behind to see and count our documents. I use a piece of paper because I think it's faster to write the stuff down, but you could do it on here. And you're going to write the title and the pages for each of your documents, and you'll click Split Document. It's going to split those for you. The one that will show on your screen now is going to be the first document in the set So we are going to see our licensee, our notice to seller, the law notice. I can click back out and I'm going to see all of them here. Now, what I need to do is I need to replace these documents with my signed versions. So I'm going to take the law notice and I'm looking for the 4 arrows. I'm going to see the 4 arrows. You notice them now. I'm going to give my mouse a left click and I'm just going to drag this on top of the one that I want to replace. It warns me you're about to replace the lead paint law notice with law notice. I want to do that. It's done. It took the name of the one that was already there. But if I open it, I'm going to see that it is the one that I just split. So be aware, it's going to take the name, and if I don't like the name, I can change it with the button on the side with a rename. If I just want to call it lead paint law notice, I just want to make it a little shorter, I can do that. I'm going to take the lead paint disclosure and I'm going to replace the one that was there, my licensee interest in property. Replace. It warns me, so I know that I'm replacing the right one. My listing agreement, same thing. I'm going to make sure I'm replacing the right one, dragging and dropping wire fraud. Dragging and dropping seller's disclosure. Notice the 4 arrows, the drag, the drop, the prompt. There we are. We have finished uploading, splitting, and replacing. Thank you.